Dear students, in this video, I would like to talk about binomial distribution and how to calculate the binomial probability. Let's discuss the following question. According to a survey, 68% of households said that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. Suppose that this result is true for the current population of households. A. Find the probability that exactly 6 households in a random sample of 14 will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. B. Find the probability that no more than 4 households in a random sample of 14 will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. And the last option, find the probability that at least 5 households in a random sample of 14 will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. So we're going to start with the first option. Find the probability that exactly 6 in a random sample of 14 will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. So in this case, the number of trials n is 14. The number of successes, x, is 6, and the probability for success is 0.68. Now, how to calculate this using the calculator? Since it's exactly, we need the function binomial PDF. So we're going to second vars. The reason why we're choosing second vars is because on the top of vars, you see that there it says distribution. So we're going to look for binomial PDF. One more. Okay, binomial PDF. We're going to select that one. We have 14 trials. And the probability for success is 0.68. Now we want exactly 6 successes. Now we're going to calculate. So if we round this to 4 decimal places, this will be 0.0326. It's about 3.3% if you change it to percentage. In 3.3%, exactly 6 people will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. Now, let's talk about B. Find the probability that no more than 4 households in a random sample of 14 will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. Now, when we say no more than 4, this one means less than or equal to 4, which means that we need to add the probabilities from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, these are, as you can see, 5 times writing the formula for binomial distribution and add the numbers. How the calculator can help us do this faster. So we're going to go to second vars again. So this time we need binomial CDF. Binomial CDF means cumulative. We need from 0 to 4. So this is how the calculator understands this. So binomial CDF, not PDF. PDF, it's only when we have the word exactly. In this case, we have no more than 4. So selecting this, the number of trials are 14 again. Number of the probability is 0.68. And this time we want 4 from 0 to 4 successes. So we're writing the last number that we have. Enter. So you can see that in this case, the probability is 0.0029. Probability is very low that in a group of 14 people, no more than 4 will say that they have never purchased organic fruits or vegetables. Now, you can see that this is less than 1%. Going back to number 3 now, at least 5. So in this case, we have at least 5, which means that from 5 up. But you can imagine calculating the probabilities for x equals 5 to x equals 14. It's about 10 probabilities that you have to calculate, 10 numbers, and then you have to add them up. Now you can subtract the probability that we just found from 0 to 4 and subtract it from 1. This one will work as well because they are complement events. So one way is if you write that P of at least, you have to go 1 back. So if it's 5, you go 1 back, that's 4. So you need to find the probability from 0 to 4 and subtract it from 1. Now, the newest versions of TI-84, they have option to go from 5 to 14. But unfortunately, the one that is most used right now and we're using in class, it doesn't have the option to calculate from 5 up. It can calculate from 0 to 4 and then subtract from 1. So we can write this one on the calculator as well. So this is what we write. 1 minus, we're doing second bars. We're looking for binomial CDF again because we have few probabilities that we need to calculate at the same time, not just one. So binomial PDF if it's only one, when we have the word exactly. Binomial CDF, enter. So we have 14 trials. The probability is 0.68 and X is going to be 4 because we want from 5 up. Okay, we're going to calculate this one. And here we go, 0.9971. The same thing if you subtract 1 minus 0.0029. I hope this video will help you with your homework and your understanding about chapter 5. I will talk to you soon. Bye.